What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ, and today I just wanted to give you a little update on my ZD Flip stencils. So if you haven't seen my prior video with the ZD Flip stencils, these are multi-layer stencils used to create some cool different designs in silver leaf or gold leaf or variegated leaf or copper leaf, any type of leafing material. This is my Tri-Deception design. So it's just a couple stencils. If you haven't seen the prior video of how to use these, I'll leave a link right up here for you, and I'll put the link down in the description below for you too. So just a new little thing that I added to these. I just added some little holes in the corner. That way you know how to line these up when you're using them. Those holes will only line up one way. And as you can see, your design lines up in there. Nice little thing about having that hole in there too. If you use some hooks, you can just hook these and hang them up. So it's a cool little way to store them, as well as an easy way to line them up. So just want to take a minute to thank everybody out there too that has ordered some. It's kind of overwhelming. It's kept me pretty busy, and I've got a lot of these out to a lot of you guys. You're the only ones that I've posted this to is YouTube. I haven't posted it on my Facebook or Instagram at all, so wanted to give you guys, my YouTube followers, a chance to get your hands on these and do some work with these. So I'd really like to see what you guys are doing with these. You can either tag BrusHstroKeZ, or you can use like hashtag ZD Flips on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. That way I can check it out and see your work, or you can send it directly to me as well. All my contact information's down below. My website has the links to my Facebook and Instagram page. You can find me there. So if you do some cool stuff with this, I'd love to see it. Shoot me a message or tag me. So appreciate everyone that's bought some so far. This is for John. We'll get yours sent out here today. So appreciate each and every one of you. Until the next one, keep those brushes stroking.